Here you'll see it's feeding time. This is something we try and give them once a week on the weekends. A little bit of corn, carrots, celery, cauliflower, broccoli, dry spaghetti noodles, frozen strawberries. They like fresh strawberries, but they become fresh after they thaw out a bit. They like to share their food. It's the best way to do to have a community living is get that food out there, and if that food's there, they're going to be just fine together. Here we'll see Fiona with her walnut. She really likes some walnuts, but I think that's not even a walnut. That's probably a granola bar.
Got yourself
Chop
granola
up
bar
a granola
there,
bar
Shrek?
and put it down there too. That's some good stuff in them granola bars. See there, Katsuconure was eating up some millet. No, Kiko took a piece of spaghetti. Yeah, that's feeding time.